Okay kids, now we start part 2, chapter number 5, Great Bear and the Little Bear. We have completed the part 1 in the previous period, okay, and completed the story, half story, okay. Which story? The Great Bear and the Little Bear. Now we complete the half part of the story in your book, okay kids. Now this is page number, open your page number 53 and last is 54. The half part is this. Now I read the story you see in your book and I will explain you. This is the last part of the story. Then something happened. What happened? What we study in the previous period. हमने क्या learn किया previous period में? There was a, who is that? Celestino the bear, right? What happened to them? Then something happened which untied. क्या हुआ? Then something happened which untied mother and son, right? And the black bear, the huge black bear, come in back side from the Arcus. Arcus के पीछे था ना? And Arcus wanted to kill that bear. Yes, because he was scared from that bear. वो डर गया था bear से, black bear से. So he wanted to kill. So next, then something happened which is untied. Untied मतलब it cannot be break. जो mother and son का relation होता है, it cannot be break. That means untied. Mother and son forever. Jupiter, the father of Arcus. Who is the father of the Arcus? Jupiter. Okay, the father of the Arcus looked down. उन्होंने देखा. They looked down. The father of the Arcus, he looked down. What happened from his place? उसने अपनी place से देखा. He was shocked. Arcus father was very shocked. वो shock हो गए देख के, आश्चर्यचकित हो गए. At what he saw, वो क्या देख रहे? What he shocked, what he saw, क्या देख रहे? His son was going to kill his mother. His son was, Jupiter's son was going to kill his mother. It is good or bad? Kill his mother. Jupiter swept down. Jupiter swept down. Who is it? Jupiter? It lives in a skies. Where he is living? It lives in a sky. Jupiter swept down. Snatch Callisto. क्या किया? bear को Callisto the bear को snatch किया. Snatch that means खींचना. Snatch heavily, किसी को hand पकड़ के हम खींचते ना, that means snatch. What snatch? Who snatched Callisto? The Jupiter, the father of the Arcus, snatched Callisto. Where he snatched, उन्होंने कहाँ खींचा? And flung into her night skies. Where he flung that means उनके खींच के ले गए into her night skies. ऊपर नाइट स्काइज में ले गए. Then he grabbed means घेर लिया, पकड़ लिया. किसको? आर्कस, स्मॉल और उसके सन को. किसके सन को? कैलिस्टिनो एंड जुपिटर सन. फर्स्ट he snatched Callisto the bear. Then after he grabbed Arcus and flung him into the night sky. Flung him into the night sky. Jupiter also snatched, किसको खींचा? Snatch and grab Arcus into the night sky. So Jupiter snatched both mother and son into the night sky. They took bear and mother bear and baby bear into the night sky. The two bear changed into the star. The two bear change into the star. किस में change हो गए bears? They bear change into the stars. Callisto is known as the Great Bear. Callisto is known as the Great Bear. कैसे जानने लगा वो? Great Bear से. कैसे? Great Bear. And the Arcus is known as the Little Bear. What is our chapter? Heading chapter? Yes, the great bear and the little bear. What is our chapter name? Lesson name क्या है? The great bear and the little bear. So both are known as a great bear and a little bear. Arcus is who is known as a great bear? Great bear से कौन जानने लगा? Yes, Callisto. कौन? Callisto. Callisto is known as a great bear and the Arcus is known as a little bear, right? If you look up at the sky, if you look up at the sky, when you see in the night at the sky, you can see the shape of the two bears outlined by the star. See in your book, kids, there is a picture of this is the outline of the star. ऐसे लाइन से शेप जैसा बैर के जैसा शेप बनता है. आपकी बुक में देखिए, सी इन योर बुक किड्स. So this is the story of the little bear, great bear and the little bear. Okay. Now I ask you some question related to this story. Okay. Who was the Callisto? Tell me the first question. Who was the Callisto? Yes, Callisto is the bear. कौन था वो? It's a beautiful lady, woman. Okay. And who was the father of the Arcus? Who was the father of the Arcus? Arcus के father कौन थे? Yes, Jupiter. Jupiter was the father of the Arcus, है ना? And who grabbed Arcus? The father Jupiter grabbed Arcus. Where did they get? Yes, they get in the night sky. Okay, so here is the story of the great bear and the little bear. There are many hard words and new words in this chapter, in this story. So you have to write and learn these new words at your home. Now I will explain you some new words and hard words. Okay, kids. Okay, kids. Now we start hard words and new hard words and missing letters. That means new words and missing letters. We learned new words and new words and hard words in this story, which you can understand or not understand properly. Okay, so here is the some hard words. मतलब आपको समझ में नहीं आता है, but you can read the story. First you read the story, then you can understand this hard words. Okay, so these hard words you have to write 5 times in your worksheet and notebook. I speak these hard words 5 times. Okay, kids. Now speak with me, kids. Furious. F-U-R-I-O-U-S. F-U-R-I-O-U-S. The goddess was very furious. It was angry. The goddess was angry. है ना? The furious, that means angry. I speak again. F-U-R-I-O-U-S. 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 Furious. Okay. Second, jealous. J-E-A-L-O-U-S. J-E-A-L-O-U-S. Jealous. Many people jealous from the Callisto with and his son. A beautiful woman and with his son. So jealous, किसी की हमें जलन होती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Jealous. J-E-A-L-O-U-S. Jealous. Next, P-A-W-S. Pause. P-A-W-S. Pause. P-A-W-S. Pause. What is the meaning of the pause? The feet of the animals, hand and feet of the animals, it calls a pause. It's called a pause. Now clause. C-L-A-W-S. Clause. A is a silent, उसको हम नहीं बोलेंगे. Clause. C-L-A-W-S. Clause. That means in the paw, the animal's paws, there is a cow-shaped nails. What we say? Cow-shaped nail of the sharp and cow-shaped nails. इट्स कॉल्ड क्लॉज। एनिमल्स के फीट में और बर्ड्स के फीट में होते हैं, है ना, तो इट सेज क्लॉज। savage, 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 savage. Again I speak, savage, savage. In this story the meaning of the savage is wild. What is the meaning of the savage is wild? Okay. Growl, 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 sound of a animal. What is the meaning of the growl? A low angry sound of the animal. The big beautiful woman lady sounds become a, कैसा हो गया उसका sound is very growling, है ना, it's bad and growl, so it's called a growl. That means the animal's low sound. Delicate, it means small and beautiful. Okay, the jaw of the beautiful lady is become a very strong and powerful, so it's called a delicate. Okay, I speak the spelling of the growl and delicate. growl, 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 growl. Next is delicate. delicate, delicate, delicate. Okay kids, this is the scream. screamed, scream, to speak loudly, loudly, cried out in a loud voice. What is the meaning of the scream? It is means to cry loudly, scream करना, चिल्लाना. That means scream. screamed. First read the spelling of the scream. scream, then ed, screamed. What we say? Screamed. screamed, screamed. Terror, 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 terror. That means in a fear, डरावना. That means terror. terror, terror. Then here is the lonely, 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 lonely. The bear was lonely, है ना, he was living sad and lonely in the forest. Lonely. Then longed, 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 longed. That means it's a long time to see the, he wished to long, that means he wished to see for something very much, he wished to want to wish something very much. That means a mother Kalashina want to see her son very much. It's called a longed, longed, long. Then wandering, 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 wandering. That means to walk slowly in the forest. The animals wandering in the forest, all the animals wandering in the forest. So it's called a ghumna. Wandering means ghumna, wandering, wandering. Then this is the united, united, united. That means a mother and father united. That means joint. It means joint. United means joint. Snatch, snatched, snatch. Snatch मतलब खींचना. The father of the Arcus snatched the great bear, the Callisto, है ना, into the night sky, to snatch heavily and take in the night sky. The Jupiter, the father of the Arcus, snatch the great bear and take in the night sky. That means snatch. SNATCHED, snatch. SNATCHED, snatch. Speak with me, kids. SNATCHED, snatch. Okay, so this is a long spelling. You cut the spelling and remember the spelling. Snatch, snatched, snatched. Flung, FLUNG, flung. FLUNG, flung. FLUNG, flung. That means to snatch and something things you have to take heavily. Flung means खींचना. Okay, the last is grab. GRABBED, grabbed. GRABBED, grabbed. Okay, kids. So here is some new hard words and missing letters. You have to write in your notebook and in a worksheet 5 times. Okay, kids. So we can another exercise you have to do at your home. Okay. So we completed this chapter number 5. We continue after that. Okay, kids. Till then, bye and take care.